Hello everyone, this is a quick presentation of the Simple Text-to-Speech tool on the Unity Asset Store. To open it, head to Tools, Azure TTS Generator. Here you'll find the main window, and first we want to make sure that we have our credentials all set up correctly. You can find every tutorial you need to set this up in the tool description, and if you are stuck in a step here, you can always send me a quick message and I'll be happy to help you out finish setting it up. So we have a voice tab as well here where we can add a voice mapping. So if you want, for example, to also translate to Japanese, we're gonna look for Japan right here, and we also have to pick a voice. So let's say we want AOI neural, sorry. From here, we can just close the settings tab. Let's say we want to say hello, and we're gonna hit translate others. This is gonna translate all for all the languages. So we have all our translations right here, and then we can hit generate all. This is gonna generate all the voices for all the languages we have in our main window here. So I hit generate, it is parsing all the different voices, and we have all the files that have been created right here. Let's listen to the Japanese one.
こんにちは。
Konnichiwa, I think that's correct. Let's listen to the German one.
Hello.
Okay, perfect. There's another function that I'm gonna talk about real quickly about the simple text-to-speech tool, which is that if you want to affect only one translation, for example, I want to lock the Spanish version here, I can press lock and I can make a change. Like for example, we're gonna add this, and if I hit translate, it's not gonna affect that specific translation. So if you want to tweak and make small adjustments, you can do it in that way. And yeah, that's how the tool is working. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any problems with it, you can just contact me directly. Thank you.